Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Starry AI that helps you to create art like a pro. You see, the simplest way to visualize and share your dreams with the world is powered by the community crafted AI image and video styles is through Starry AI. You can start creating for free. You can see it's so beautiful. You can download on the App Store or Google Play Store depending if it's an iOS device or an Android device. So it's featured in so many wonderful magazines and newspapers. Then the AI makes beautiful dream-like images from your own words and emoji. You can see it's very beautiful and they actually do look dream-like. These are the recent creations, you can see them. So really nice. So it is free to use. You can create up to 25 artworks for free daily and without watermarks. You get full ownership. Once you create your AI art with Starry AI, you are the owner. Then customizability, it has a vast library of styles and models, so imagination is the only limit. You can see it. Really good. Let's move on. You can join me in creating AI art, start your own creative journey with Starry AI. You get commercial rights except on sign up, 4.7 out of 5 stars and 40k reviews. Create something magical, click on this. It helps you to create AI generated art, you can see. Beautiful. These are start trucks by it, you can see. You can start using it. This is beautiful. When you get started today, your account will be topped up with 5 lumens, that is 25 images. You get to create in 1,000 plus styles. Reimagine your images, enhance images, upscale, remove background. The art of frequency has questions, you can go through them and get your answers. So, like we said before, what are the features now? We'll talk about you can create AI avatars, AI painting, AI images, image upscaler, enhance images, background remover, AI headshots, AI anime, so many more. Interiors, characters, videos, textures, image, illustrations, drawing, designs. You can even create NFT art. So give it a try today.